The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
If you think you have gone back in time 2 years ago and are watching my fun video, the 1 million वाला video that actually made me a YouTuber, क्योंकि उससे ही monetization शुरू हुई है, to be frank. So that's why I am very much in depth with fun and they are also in depth with us. Okay, हमने भी अच्छा content दिया है. So I am back in fun Anjar Royal Rivera Farm and today we are back and we are doing a new vlog with what's new in this fun. In the vlog 1 of fun, which you can watch here, my 1 million view wala vlog, here I have worn a violet color sari and it carried a sexy look, and now I am doing a princess sari. अच्छा है ना? ठीक है. Before we talk about everything else, let's introduce ourselves. Namaskaram everyone, this is Satya Akhavatasul and welcome to my YouTube page. Now let's go! If you're wondering where's the other half, here's it. So now this is literally the second part of fun vlog. तो naturally जो part 1 में दिखाएगा फिर से क्यों दिखाऊंगी? तो part 1 देखो. Go watch it. It's very good. Most viewed water soul vlog है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ना, तो जाके देखो. So we are actually skipping a lot of things like the room, the games area, the cinema theater. Yes, they have a literal cinema theater, movie theater. तो सब कुछ है, तो ये देख लेना. तो अभी हम सिर्फ जो न्यू है वो एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, which is the game zone and there is Pachauli retreat. So what is Pachauli retreat? We'll know while we go into the video. You must be thinking I am doing a villa tour, which is not right because this villa is actually the Pachauli retreat. So 93 में आ जाना. 93 वाला रूम बुक नहीं कर सकते, but आके retreat में you can take all of these treatments. So they are doing obviously slimming and your beauty, everything. So कल हम we are actually getting into the retreat. This is the new attraction in fun, the main new attraction in fun. But बाकी सब कुछ भी है, which एक में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ, which is the go karting. Go karting है यार resort में, सोचो. तो वो ठीक है, पहले retreat के बारे में बात करते. So there are lot of things like slimming वाला और फिर laser, Ayurvedic spa वाला, your facials, everything. So I think it's going to be great. Tomorrow we are going to check it out, experience it. This is the most newest and exotic addition to the Fern Royal Farm Resort, Anjar. This is Pachauli retreat. So actually, udhar hai na, till that road before the Pachauli retreat. From there, idhar se, all the way, it is the new extension, which has got the game zone like here, and फिर एक convention hall भी है और party hall भी है और ये पाचौली retreat भी है. इसके अलावा what actually is there in this resort is there are so many rooms and villas, and villas में almost there are almost 50 around villas are there, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK villas that can accommodate up to so many people if you have a long guest and everything. And they do have lot of packages to visit around in Kutch, like the Ran of Kutch Utsav. I have just understood that बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट इनकर होता है इन गोइंग टू रन ऑफ कच्छ इफ यू वांट टू डू इट ऑल बाय अलोन. सो if you want to do an luxurious retreat which is also nice, which is like क्या बोलते हैं special and all, you can come with you can go with Fern. They have this great package of 3 nights 4 days ऐसा कुछ, और उसमें सब resort stays वो सब कुछ है, and Vitron stay भी. And also it costs you around 25 to 50k around in between somehow. So yeah, you can definitely check it out. But उसके अलावा how can you else what else you can do to go and watch Ran Utsav in budget is go with the trek groups or travel groups that organize this. You will do like तुम्हारे साथ बहुत सारे लोग होंगे, you don't get the precious private treatment, but अच्छा तो होगा. Guys, I am locked out. बोला कि सारी में कौन गेम्स के खेलने के लिए आएगा, इसलिए बोला कि चेंज करके आओगे. मैं बोली कि कल आऊंगी. ओके. So now we are here at the football court. हाँ नहीं, छोटा वाला football court, and there's volleyball court, and then there's box cricket. And my friends back in Bangalore, they love cricket. They go every Sunday cricket खेलने के लिए, not box cricket but actual cricket खेलने के लिए. And I'm thinking, so if you also have friends that who enjoy it a lot, you should definitely visit here with a lot of group of friends. और एक विला में आराम से रह सकते हो. याद है ना हमारा विला? Last time when we used to give the reviews and everything, we used to give in points. तो अभी क्यों हम सबको round off कर रहे हैं? So let me say this. I think every other thing is 515 definitely, and accessibility remains the same. मैं बोलूँगी कि 3 point कुछ दिया है last time, 9 कुछ छोड़ो, 3.5 करते. डिफिकल्ट है भाई आना. मतलब इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट ऑल्सो. एक फ्लाइट लेना है, फिर उधर से बस लेना है, ओके इट्स फाइन. बट हाँ, अहमदाबाद से इधर तक आने का अगर सुबह का सोचोगे, देयर सो मच ट्रैफिक यार. हाँ, हर जगह होगा. बट या, सो वील कीप द एक्सेसिबिलिटी 3.5. फाइनल रेटिंग लास्ट में कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ऑल्सो द न्यू एडिशंस आर जिप लाइनिंग एंड स्काई साइकिलिंग. तो अच्छा है, you can do this as well. We'll do it tomorrow. So now this is literally the go-karting course. Like you can take your carts and go-karts and just go hit each other. But yeah, I never tried it, so I'm very excited. Also, this place is actually getting ready for the very next future. Abhi next में season के लिए they're making everything nice. So yeah, painting सब कुछ हो रहा है. क्या है कि there is a horse riding as well. I did not see the horse. So yeah, I don't know if there's horse riding. इसके अलावा एक मॉकटेल बार भी है, एक चाय बार भी है, ये सब कुछ भी है. But हाँ, but with this ends what's new and fun. So let's go experience everything.
The sky is falling. 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 The sky is falling.
You must be wondering कि ये बोली कि विला टूर नहीं करेगी. What is she doing in front of the room or the villa? Yeah, because we have just shifted our rooms. Earlier in the previous time, 2 years back when we visited, we stayed in a 2 BHK villa. Like you all know because you saw the video. If you didn't, you know what to do. Okay. Because अभी इस time they asked us to like you can shift to the new room. बोले कि क्या है 1 BHK विला. मैं सोची 2 BHK विला से 1 BHK विला कैसे अच्छा होगा. But let me show you. आ जाओ. I don't actually remember इसका की इसलिए भाई इसका की इसलिए I kept it open. Now this is the villa. It has got all the amenities. तुम सोच सकती यार this is a smaller one compared to that and all of that. But the best part is this side. वो हम देखेंगे पहले आ जाओ. This is the living area which is also very good. Here we have got the kitchen appliances. Food order कर सकते हैं 24/7 food होता है. Now this is the bathroom. It's also very pretty और सुबह बहुत अच्छा वाला lighting आएगा. And here we have got the bedroom. Actually 1 BHK विला में बहुत ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं artifacts भी है which is making it look really good. And here we have got sneak peek दे रही हूँ pool. अभी चलो. Now the view. Yeah, this villa, this 1 BHK villa has got 1, 2, 3, 3 2 BHK villas wala lawn. Awesome. And the pool, it's huge than the 2 BHK villa. मतलब इसका advantages उसमें है and इसका advantages इसमें है. So it's like the best room for couple, honeymoon couple. आ जाओ यार, मस्त. And there's so much. This pool is going to look very nicely. Tomorrow we are going to have the floating breakfast and all of that. I'm excited for that.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
You must be thinking restaurant has changed. No, this is actually in-house food delivery here in Anjar Fern. So yeah, actually we are outhouse because that is our villa there. And here we have got the entire lawn which is very big. देखो यार इतना lawn है. वो पहले वाला वीडियो जब हम कर रहे थे we did feelings reel. So अगर ये वाला lawn होती तो मस्त होती. But yeah, lovely. And so as you can see we have food here. As usual बहुत delicious दिख रहा है. I have already eaten 3 nights of food, you know that. So yeah, we are staying here 4 nights completely. So this is the last night. But yeah, एकदम must food है. This is Thai red curry in chicken. That's from my boyfriend. And this is my Hakka noodles and Manchurian balls, which looks amazing. देखो. And as usual, the food is... Wait.
As usual, the food is amazing. It's very hygienic, and they deliver to your room 24 hours. Like जो भी मेनू आपके रूम में रखा हुआ है, you can just flip it over and enjoy any of the meal that you want and call them. बोलो कि रूम नंबर बोल दो, वो लेके आ जाएंगे. That is the best thing I would say. So late night भी cravings होगी तो रेव कर दो. अभी I'll devour this.
सुंदर देख रही हो ना. दिस इज द आफ्टर इफेक्ट ऑफ पाचौली रिट्रीट. और अभी हम कैंडल लाइट डिनर के लिए पूरा मैचिंग में आ गए. एंड अभी देखो यार, लास्ट टाइम से भी बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा है. एंड फन कीप्स ग्रोइंग. दे आर मेकिंग एवरीथिंग मार्वेलस. देखो चांद भी लेके आ गए. नहीं 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 यार, वो वाला नहीं, ये वाला अच्छा है ना वैसे. तो यस, कभी कभी ना अपने पार्टनर्स को ऐसे कैंडल लाइट डिनर भी लेके आओ. इट्स वेरी नाइस. बाद में आपको भी कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा ना. कुछ ना कुछ तो वैसे जप्पी और पप्पी तो मिल जाएगी. तो अच्छी बात है, लेके जाओ. और वैलेंटाइंस डे ऐसे सेलिब्रेट करो और कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल करो. अगर तुम करोगे, डेफिनेटली तुम्हारे पार्टनर भी कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे तुम्हारे लिए. एंड सेइंग ऑल ऑफ दैट, वी हैव फूड हियर. अभी हम फूड खाएंगे. और somehow सब स्टार्टर्स वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैं मस्त एंजॉय करने वाली हूँ. और वैसे आई विल हैव टू शो यू ऑल द पिक्चर्स दैट वी टुक. माय बॉयफ्रेंड एंड मी हैव गॉट नाइसली रेडी इन मैचिंग आउटफिट्स. और अभी आपको पूरा एस्थेटिक वीडियो देखने को मिलेगा. एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट विल डू नेक्स्ट. वैसे दिस इज द लास्ट नाइट दैट वी आर स्टेइंग इन फन. टुमारो वी आर लिविंग टू अहमदाबाद. And we are back at our favorite place. That's our pool. Actually, when I got in this pool last time, people got crazy. Yeah, I thought I'll recreate that. But there are many other things I've recreated. And as you can see, I am in my new bikini. Looks nice, right? Okay, so that's fun. Anjar for you once again. We have enjoyed the best week of 2025 in fun. And actually we said we'll be staying here for 3 days, and somehow it extended up to 5 days. Yeah, I enjoyed the max. And of course I didn't get to visit Ran of Kutch. So abhi bhi Kutch nahi dekhi to kuch bhi nahi dekhi. So I should be back here. So now we'll discuss the ratings. I am going to give nature a 5 on 5 because इस बार मुझे बहुत सारे birds मिले. And every bird was actually chilling with me. इधर इधर घूम रहे थे. They're coming inside. ये सब कुछ भी कर रहे थे. और इन सब trees में एक एक करके they are living. So एकदम मजा ही आ गया. And saying all of that, nature is 5. Accessibility I have rounded off to 3.5. So the final rating is 4.7. So अगर आप सोचोगे कि फाइनल रेटिंग बढ़ गया क्या? Yeah, if you have seen the previous video, no. We have just rounded off, and because final rating नहीं बढ़ा है, but amenities और बहुत सारे adventures बढ़ गए. So yeah, this is a new addition to fun. So अभी fun बहुत बड़ा है, तो आ जाओ. And I will definitely visit again this place because I loved it. And अब मुझे पता है तुम लोग इस ब्लॉग को भी 1 मिलियन करवा दोगे ना. करवा दोगे. आई नो, इसका भी थंबनेल अच्छी रखूंगी. ओके, सो सी यू अगेन. बाय बाय. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम विल गो सी रन ऑफ कच्छ. पक्का प्रॉमिस. Okay guys, like, share and subscribe. And also we have started our 6-pack journey. So follow us in our membership page.